Okay, my sweet potato harvest from last fall. This is where I keep it in a dark closet in my kitchen in a box. And look, I still have some sweet potatoes from last fall. They're still good to cook. Got a lot of vines growing off of them. But look at them. They still hard and firm. Look at that. Last fall, sweet potatoes. Still growing. Still good to eat. I'm gonna cook some today for my family. All you have to do is just break these vines off of the sweet potato. And they good. Ready to bake or to boil. I'm gonna boil these today. Make some candy yams. Put all my good ingredients on it. My nutmeg, my cinnamon, butter, syrup. It's gonna come out tasting good. Sugar, gotta get that sugar in there. Gotta make it a little sweet. Okay, let me get busy making my candy yams today from my sweet potatoes from last fall. When you're storing your sweet potatoes, you need to keep the dirt and dust that's on the sweet potatoes when they come out of the ground on them. That keeps them, kind of preserves them a little longer too when you're storing them in your dark cupboards or closets. And then when you're ready to cook them, just wash all of that dirt off of them, all of that dust off of them. See, all of that is still on there. Since last November, this is when I had harvested these. I'm getting ready to prepare them today for my family. Okay, the sweet potatoes are good and cleaned off. Now I'm getting ready to chop them up and put them in the water to boil. Okay, I'm gonna just cut off the ends, parts on each of the sweet potatoes. Look how nice and orange they are. They look so fresh, but they've been around for a long time. Okay. Cut all the skin off of it. Okay, let me finish cutting all of the skin off of it. Then I'm gonna chop them up into little squares like, or cubes like, and put them in my pot to boil. Okay. Chop them up into nice sizes, like when you get that can of candy yams, they be cut up in cubes like this in those cans. Look at that, don't they look nice? Okay, then I just take them and I'm going to put them over in my pot to boil. And I do the next one the same way. Okay, I have my chopped up sweet potatoes in the boiling water. Let them boil for a good little while till it gets real soft. Then I add all of my ingredients and I'm gonna make my candy yam. Okay, the sweet potatoes have boiled long enough. They're soft and ready for me to make my candy yams now. All I have to do is drain this water off of it and add my ingredients next. Okay, I'm getting ready to add the ingredients to my sweet potatoes to make my candy yams. Gonna add some butter, some sugar. Gonna use a little Miss Butterworth syrup, some cinnamon, some nutmeg. Almost the same ingredients that you use when you're making a sweet potato pie. So I know it's gonna taste good. So let me get busy adding my ingredients to make my candy yams. Okay, I have my butter in there. Now I'm gonna add about maybe 2 or 3 big heapings of the sugar in there. Make it taste real good. Okay, I'm gonna squeeze in some of Miss Butterworth syrup in here. You can use whatever kind of syrup you like, but I like Miss Butterworth. Or Aunt Jemima, sometimes I get that. Add some cinnamon. Just sprinkle some cinnamon on in there. Okay, then I'm gonna sprinkle in some of the nutmeg. Ooh, I smell all of those ingredients in there. It's smelling good. Smells good. Then I'm just gonna mix it all together. Add your candy yams. Put it back on the stove for a little bit to warm up all of those ingredients. And look at that. I wish y'all could smell it. It smells good. Look at it. Look at it. Beautiful yam. Beautiful sweet potatoes. And there you go. Made you some homemade candy yams from my sweet potatoes grown in Big Mama's garden.